Hey, everyone.
If you're trying to download files with IDM and keep seeing the dreaded error, the server replies that you don't have permission to download this file.
Don't worry, it's okay. I've got a solution
For you. But before we dive into fixing this issue, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest tech tutorials. First, open IDM and head over to the Help section. From the drop-down, click on About IDM. Click on Check for Updates. Next, check if there's an update available. If there is, you'll see the option to update. Now, click on that. Wait for the download to complete. Once the download is done, a pop-up will appear. Simply click Yes, accept the agreement, and proceed with the installation by clicking Next. After the installation completes, click Finish. Now go back to IDM and click on the Registration tab. Enter your details, then click OK. Now open the IDM again, and here you can see the IDM is registered. Let's test it by downloading a video. As you can see, IDM is now fully registered and working smoothly. The file is downloading without any errors. And that's it. Problem solved. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you're always updated with our latest tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.